So some things happened. We just won't get into that. This is pretty.
Yeah, I knew it was happening. I saw him coming out. I was like, oh. So you have to me, and he said,
Well, Charles, I like what you've done with my car. Thank you.
That's definitely mine.
Charles, I present to you the title to the
thank
Cressida.
Thank God. Right when I decided I'm not going to drive it on the street anymore, I get it.
I'm assuming it's the one that says Nissan on it.
That's been in the seat for a couple days.
Stock seat.
Everything's missing in it.
What?
Probably the steering wheel right there. Those are heavy doors.
Yeah. You're a heavy door.
Thanks. Well, I missed the revving because we were outside looking at the 240 trying to start it. But Charles now has side pipe on the Cressida. That video is live, right?
What? The side pipe in? Yeah.
So go ahead and go watch that. And if you're new to the channel, this is a 1J Cressida. Pretty sick. And Charles just bought this.
Oh yeah.
You haven't uploaded that video yet though.
No. I actually owned that car before.
Yeah, that's what I saw on Facebook that you're talking about.
This is the second time I've owned it.
When was the last time you owned it?
I bought it in 2016. I sold it like early 2017.
So not that long ago. bleeding.
What?
My ears are bleeding. Got some flames?
Oh yeah.
So don't be mad that we did that with the garage door down. That was just because we will have the cops here if that was up.
Things are falling down on me, many things I could not see.
Charles Sanborn, everybody. Alright, that pretty much wraps everything up we've done today. Thank you for watching this video. Go subscribe to Fabtown, because that's his shop, and that's his Cressida, but it was mine before, so credit to me. Credit to me for hooking Charles up with that. Like I said, subscribe to Fabtown. This person's gonna make a video at some point. So go subscribe to Braden, I guess, if you are into that sort of thing. Alright, we'll see you guys next time.